This is my 2002 Saturn VUE. I've had this car for many years. Done a lot of work to it. Just, you know, maintenance stuff that it needed. So I put this cold air system on it that I designed about a year ago. And I've been driving it around now. And it puts the K&N air filter in front of the firewall, so it pulls cold air. Short turn and goes right into the intake manifold. This is the 3-liter Opal engine. It's also used in the Cadillac Catera. It's used in one other Saturn model, and it's used in the Saab 9000 and the Saab 9000 Turbo. And I'm pretty happy with the way the engine performs with this cold air kit on it. Actually does really well. Here's another look at it. It's easy to access with the headlight out. It only takes a few minutes to pull the headlight. And there it is. One thing when you pull the headlight out on this, see this hole right here? Down in that hole, there's a little hook. And you need to go in there, you need to squeeze the hook and make sure that that piece comes up with the headlights. Otherwise it'll break, which is what happened the first time I tried to take it out. So there's a little trick there to squeezing those two little hooks on that arm that comes out with the headlight. So you want to try to lift it out and work those hooks loose at the same time. This is everything that the kit replaces on the car. Wait till you see what it all weighs. And finally, there's the weight in pounds. Over 11 pounds of weight.